Hi guys, welcome to my first video where I'll be showing you how to make these mini lemon pound cakes that I adapted from Rosanna Pansino's pineapple pound cake recipe. First you want to start by greasing 4 mini loaf pans with canola oil. You can do this with spray or how I'm doing it by putting some canola oil on a paper towel and rubbing it all over the pan. Next you want to sift your flour, so start by putting your sifter over your bowl, then put 2 cups of all-purpose flour in, and shake until all the flour has gone through the sifter. Next you want to get your lemon mixture together, so start by zesting 1 whole lemon. Try not to over zest your lemon, you should stop when you see the white and spongy part. Once you've finished, it should look like this, then you want to clear all the zest out of your grater. Next, in a small bowl, you want to squeeze the juice of 1 whole lemon. Here I only ended up doing half of a lemon because this lemon was extra juicy. You want to end up with about half a cup of lemon juice. Next, you can dump in all of the lemon zest you grated and about a teaspoon of lemon extract. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and we can start on the batter. Put half a cup of shortening and 1/2 a cup of butter into your stand mixer and beat until fluffy. Then add 1 cup of sugar and beat until combined. Next, crack 4 eggs into a small bowl and take out any pieces of shell. While the mixer is going, add 1 egg at a time, beating in between until all eggs have been added. After the eggs, pour in the lemon mixture and mix until incorporated. After this, it's very important to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure that no ingredients get stuck on the edges. Then you want to put the mixer on a low speed so we can add the flour. While the mixer is going, add in your flour bit by bit. I used my 1/3 cup to slowly add in the flour. Once the flour is in, it should start to really look like cake batter. Make sure you scrape down the bowl one more time before adding the batter to the pans. Divide the batter evenly between the 4 greased mini loaf pans. Next, take a little spatula and try to make sure that the batter is evenly distributed in the cake pan. Bake these for 40 minutes in your preheated oven. After 40 minutes, they should look completely dry on the top. To take them out of the pan, run a butter knife along the edges of the pan to separate it from the walls of the pan. After this, they should come out very clean. This part is completely optional, but I thought it would be cute to wrap them up in some wax paper and put a little bow on it. I start by folding the wax paper in half and placing one of the mini loaves in the center. Start by folding the right side over and then the left side over and taping it into place. This part was really hard to show on camera, but you just want to turn it over and fold it up like a present and tape it closed. I then took some purple and white ribbon and cut them to my desired length and wrapped them around the middle of the wax paper portion and tied them into a little bow. Once I adjusted the bow how I liked, I cut off the excess, and that is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment any videos that you'd like me to do in the future. Thanks so much. Bye.